What's up guys, Mike from Rockville, and today we are looking at the WH4, which are 3-inch locking and swivel caster wheels that you can use on your subwoofer, PA speaker, monitors, rack cases, and basically anything that's too heavy to lift. These are very strong and durable wheels that support up to 350 pounds, and you can use them on a bunch of different subwoofers that don't come with their own wheels, like JBL subs, Yamaha subs, Mackie subs, and of course Rockville subwoofers. Now, if you're a gigging musician or a DJ, you know how important it is to have a mobile setup, and you also understand the struggle of huffing and puffing as you carry your subwoofer from the trunk of your car to the venue. Well, it's time to give your back a break, because when you add these wheels to your equipment, transporting becomes a breeze and you don't have to dread setting up and taking down. I have a brand new box of WH4 wheels here right now. Let's open this up and see what's inside and then install it onto this subwoofer I have. I have the 4 wheels over here, and then I have all the necessary hardware to install the wheels onto a subwoofer. Now, this is a very, this is a really heavy sub, and installing the wheels is going to make it a lot easier to transport. So let's go into the tools that you need. Definitely gonna wanna have a hammer, a screw gun that can accept the drill bit that we include, and then we also include a wrench. It's a bolt and a T-nut mechanism. You drill 4 holes for each wheel. You put a T-nut on the inside of the subwoofer enclosure, and then your bolt catches onto it, and this is actually what pulls into the enclosure and secures the wheel. But the first step that we're going to do is drill 16 holes into the back of the enclosure where we're mounting the wheels onto the speaker. So I'm going to turn this onto its face. What we recommend is going 1 inch off either side for each wheel. Once you have the wheel in a good place, you need to mark it. Now, this is a carpeted subwoofer. I'm going to mark it with a knife so I know exactly where I'm going to be drilling all 4 of my holes. So you're going to take your included drill bit, line up the middle of the drill with the marking. So we're going to do that process 3 other times for the remaining wheels and then move to the next step. All right, we can start step 2 now, which is to take off the grill and remove the subwoofer out of the enclosure so we have direct access to the back panel. Now, depending on your subwoofer, you might need a hex key to remove the grill, but on the Rockville ones, it's just a Phillips screw. Pull up slowly. You do not want to pull it fast in case there's not a lot of slack. There's spade terminals, so you just pull on them to disconnect them. Now, if you look inside the subwoofer enclosure, at each corner, you can see the 4 drill holes that we made. Now, what we have to do is take our T-nuts and put them in the holes that we drilled. So what you're going to do next is grab a hammer. Now, you're not going to have a lot of room in there to hit it with the butt side of the hammer. So you're going to hold it kind of like this and use the top of the hammer and hit the T-nut into place. After we got 4 of the T-nuts in securely, it's time to put the subwoofer back on its feet. Now what you're going to want to do is grab one of the wheels that you're putting over there. You're going to be using 4 bolts. On each bolt, you're going to put a small washer and then a large washer right behind it. Line up the wheel with the 4 holes that we drilled. Put the bolts right into the hole, and it's got to catch on the T-nut. After you have all 4 of them hand tightened, take your wrench and finish off the job. And that's how you install a full wheel onto a subwoofer. I'm going to skip ahead and do the remaining 3 wheels, and we'll catch up after the cleanup. All right, I just finished the last wheels. I just want to talk about 2 things really quick. These are swivel wheels, so you can see the 2 back wheels. They swivel a full 360 degrees, which is amazing. So you can get around corners, you can make turns, you just have a lot more maneuverability. The other thing you'll notice is on the back of the swivel wheels here, there's a lock. When the subwoofer is on the wheels, you just push down with your foot, and you'll see you'll lock it into place. I have successfully installed and put back together the subwoofer. If I didn't have wheels on this, and it was just me, I would have to grab, and I would have to carry it like that. Oh, that's really heavy. But now that we have wheels, put it on the wheels. Look at that. Oh, look how smooth that is. Look at that. So just from adding wheels, this subwoofer became super easy to move around. This is gonna help you so much if you have a very big subwoofer and you need to transport it from gig to gig. So if you are looking for heavy duty, easy to install, and back saving 3-inch caster wheels for your subwoofer, PA speaker, monitors, rack cases, and basically anything else that's too heavy to lift, look no further than the WH4 from Rockville. If you liked what you saw in this video, leave a like and a comment in the comment section below. As always, guys, I'm Mike from Rockville. I'll see you next time.